Back here with a look at Beam. Okay, this been covering this a lot of lately. It's making some noise out there in the crypto world. The only thing, this market cap on this thing. Where are we going here? Let's go to the top 100. All right, Beam. Where are we at? Now let's get on and just do it this way. EEA. There we go. Number 70. Okay, market cap 924 million. All right, for the month, this thing has done just about a 1.5x. Okay, the year, it doesn't really have much there for the year. Okay, I think it's done. I don't know. Started out with a pretty high market cap. Okay, Beam. It's backed by some big players here, and now you got to look at market cap and be real here. Okay, this thing is about 1 billion. All right, and could it do another 10x in a bull run? Absolutely. These things in a bull run are going to get ridiculous. I don't know. We'll have to keep an eye on this, but I definitely believe it has some more upside potential. Once you hit the billion mark, though, it takes a lot more money to flip, to the next 100%, then to the next 100%. You get to 2 billion, then you need 4 billion to double. Once you get to 4 billion, you know what I'm saying? It gets a little harder and harder. Getting to the top of the mountain here, right? It gets steeper and steeper, tougher and tougher, to flip this market cap. So it takes a lot of money when you're up here. When you're starting out with a 50 or $100 billion market cap, then you're looking at an easy 10x, but to that billion. But once you hit that billion mark, stuff starts takes a little bit more to move it. So you can see here at a target down here, this thing pulling down to this level, down to anywhere in this circle here. Almost got it here. It's starting to bounce from here. Is it going to break out? Well, the daily RSI, or the 4-hour, is turning up. It's at a 45 on the bottom down here. So it's definitely looking. The 8-hour is reset and heading up. Okay, and you got your 12 on the bottom, 5-4 and a 3-4, just turning up bullish. All right, so it looks like this thing's getting ready to run again. The daily is still coming down, and it doesn't have a weekly yet. Of course, this daily RSI is at a 3 and a 35. You don't see that very often. Okay, let me open this chart the way up. That's kind of a weird looking. That's just because it's fairly new, not a lot on there. So we were looking for targets on this thing. Okay, we had that target up here. It's about 3 cents, 0.0308. That was a full extension for the trend-based fib, and that gave it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. All right, now another way you can look for a fifth wave sometimes is to put your fib on top of your wave 3, pull it down to the bottom of wave 4, and then the 1618 will give you a fifth wave target sometimes, right in that area. So we're looking at 0.308 to 0.033. Now, like I said, once this thing starts moving, you could get FOMO kicking in here, and I can start driving the price. Down here on the volume, once Beam starts moving, you can see a green candle here already starting on the daily, because it looked like a bounce starting here. All right, so let's get a few things off here so I can actually get into this chart. Okay, we all know the 5 waves up. If you haven't yet, guys, please go check into a membership. I'd appreciate it. $15. They teach you how to do this stuff yourself. You can learn and go chart your own tokens. It's important, man. It's easy to make money in crypto. Hard to keep it. That's the hard part. All right, we zoom down in here on the 4-hour and take a look here. We got a resistance line here coming down through, right through there, and you can see it broke resistance. Okay, right about through here. Okay, I'm not going to get absolutely dead perfect here with this thing for the video, but you can see the resistance line kept hitting resistance, come down, hit resistance, come down, breakout, broke the resistance. All right, you got the 4, the 8, and the 12 pointing up. Some key areas for this thing to break. The point 226, you got a resistance area there right here. Okay, that's going to be one of them. And then, of course, up at point 026, you're going to have a resistance area. So keep an eye on those areas, guys. But I truly believe this thing is heading upwards. I believe wave 4 is complete, and it's going to get that 5th wave up here. How high is it going to go? Well, we're gonna have to wait and see here. But it definitely looks like 5 waves up. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 5th wave up, and then a ABC correction, and you know, depending on what the market's doing, we should be doing another 5 waves up, but we'll see how this goes. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon.